Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to sign into Standard Notes step by step. Signing in allows you to securely access your encrypted notes and synchronize them across your computer, smartphone, and other supported devices. So let's get started. First, open the Standard Notes app on your computer or mobile device. If you prefer using a web browser, you can also access the Standard Notes web application from the official website. Next, on the welcome screen, click or tap Sign In. Enter the email address associated with your Standard Notes account, then type your password carefully. Make sure there are no typing mistakes and check that caps lock is turned off if you're using a keyboard. After entering your credentials, click or tap the Sign In button. I mean, if you've enabled additional security features, such as two-factor authentication, complete the verification process by entering the required code before continuing. Once your identity is verified, Standard Notes will securely sign you in and begin synchronizing your encrypted notes with your device. Depending on how many notes you have, the initial synchronization may take a few moments to complete. If you're signing in on a new device, take a moment to review your account settings and confirm that everything has synchronized correctly before creating or editing any notes. And that's it. You now know how to sign into Standard Notes and securely access your encrypted notes from any supported device. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.